Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ninja Foodi Scrambled Eggs. These are going to be made using the air crisp function of the Ninja Foodi, and you can also easily make these in an air fryer too, the same way. The only difference is you need to be sure to use a pan that fits your machine. So the first thing you're going to need are 8 large eggs, a fourth a cup of half and half or milk, along with salt and pepper. And then you'll also want to use a large measuring cup or bowl that we are going to mix all of this up in. And I like to use a cup, that way it's easy to pour right into the pan whenever you're ready. So I've got this all into a cup. You add the eggs, you're going to crack those. You're going to add in the milk or the half and half, whichever one you choose to use, along with the salt and the pepper to taste. So I like to use half and half. I think it makes them creamier, but it is completely up to you. So once you have this in there, you're going to whisk these eggs up until it's nice and smooth. And then we're going to pour this into a pan, and I like to spray it first with grapeseed oil spray, which has a higher heat. And then I'm going to pour this mixture right in. I'm using a Ninja Multi-Cooker pan that fits the Ninja Foodi Multi-Cooker perfectly. And sorry, it's a multi-purpose pan. So that's what you see here. And then I'm going to place it on the wire rack that comes with the Foodi in the highest position, and then put it all right into the gray bowl that comes with your Ninja Foodi. Now once you have that all into the Foodi, you're going to go ahead and lock that lid in place and use the air crisp function at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And we are just going to cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes. It may need to go up to 12 sometimes. It just depends on how much heat your machine puts out. So after I'd say about 6 minutes or so, go ahead and carefully open the lid, and you're just going to want to whisk or scramble up those eggs because sometimes it'll all cook together like one huge egg, and you want to just whisk it or break it apart. And that's what we're going to be doing here. Now I have found that using a meat chopper, just the handheld little meat chopper, works really well for scrambling these up. It's just like if you were chopping meat with it, or browning meat, you're just chopping up the eggs. So you're going to see here that I was doing that as well. And that's what I'm doing in this picture here. And I'm just getting those all chopped up to make sure nothing sticks on the bottom. And it's also easy to scrape the sides with this as well. And I have it in that multi-purpose pan. Now the big change here would be if you're using an air fryer that's not the Ninja Multi-Cooker, you just need to make sure you use a pan that fits in your air fryer. And then more than likely you would be putting it right on top of your air fryer basket. You wouldn't have to use the wire rack. So after about 10 minutes, you're going to have these really pretty and easy scrambled eggs. We like to pair these alongside air fryer bacon or air fryer biscuits. All of those are on my websites too, and I'll actually link to the air fryer bacon that I shared last week. It can be made in your Ninja Foodi too. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to make these Ninja Foodi scrambled eggs or air fryer scrambled eggs. They can be made either way. They taste great, and they're super simple to make without ever having to turn the stove on. So you can find this entire recipe and many more over on mommyhatescooking.com. And then you can find all of my air fryer recipes over on airfryerfanatics.com. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Thanks for tuning in today.